What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm out here in Uptown, New Orleans, headed toward the Gert Town. I'm on Cambronne Street right now. Cambronne was a general in the French army. He was a main strategist in the French Revolutionary War. He died almost 200 years ago, in the 1840s or something like that. I want to say 1846, if I remember what I read right. I mean, a lot of these houses have really been rebuilt really nicely. But this is Forche Street. Forche was a Confederate worker in the Confederate Army. He was a gunboat builder, I believe I read. He helped repair the gunboats or something like that. Right down there is a Lil Wayne mural. Let's see if I can get over there. It's a one-way street, so I couldn't legally do it. Let's see, maybe I can get over there. Let's see. This is Edinburgh Street, or Edinburgh. Probably Edinburgh Street. There's some really nice houses. Look, how nice that house has been remodeled, and this one's been torn down and made bricks because I'm sure that's not original. I'm still not a fan of the painted bricks, sorry. This house does not look inhabited because it's really leaning really bad. I want to show you this. Oh, this is not a one-way street. This house has really gone through a major renovation. Major. That's going to be huge. Wow. That house is going to be huge. Maybe it's a multi-residence, I don't know. That's going to be huge. Yeah, I think a lot of these homes are probably multi-residence. Not here so much, but definitely here. These are multi-residence. This is called the Cypress Manor 2. And over here, they got some nice houses. I guess that's 2 units. They're probably townhouses. Upstairs, downstairs, townhouses. If I wanted to say, I'd say it's a duplex. But I don't really know. I'm just talking out of my... That one's got 4 addresses, so that one's definitely 4. This is a Cypress Trace apartment complex. Oh, the streets get kind of rough here. I don't mean the dangerousness. I mean the oh my god, the potholes after potholes. I'm going 8 miles an hour and it's real bad. But I think it gets a little bit better up here after this big old lake. We get through this lake. Back on Edinburgh Street. 8300 Edinburgh's real nice. Man, that's much better than my house. Oh, I'm not a fan of the gates in the front yard, though. Let this car pass me. Yeah, they want to go faster than 10 miles an hour, I'm sure. Solar panels, and both of those homes have solar panels. This one has solar panels. That one has a bunch of solar panels over there. Come on, buddy. Turning or what? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. I'm back on that same street we were just on, but I'm sorry. Wanted to show you this renovate, because this is gonna be done in 3 or 4 months maybe, and then we won't know what it looked like. This vehicle stops at all railroads. Okay, knock yourself out, buddy. A lot of raised apartment buildings. So I guess you park on the bottom floor, and maybe this is a flood prone area. That's real nice. I want to see these houses here. Man, look how many satellites they got. Seems like everybody could just use the same satellite and be happy. I guess it don't work like that. I mean, I don't know how many different signals you can get coming from one's. They got 3 satellites on that one. And the one before's got 4, and this one's got 4 also. Satellite's popular. Oh, there's another one, 5. I don't think Dish Network, is that still a thing? I don't even think Dish Network is still a thing. I want to go down this street. Got some colorful homes. Got a beige cream color, then a lime. I love that lime green. That lime green is nice. That one needs some repair work. This one's for sale. No address. I can't get you the address, sorry. You mean a couple dollars put into it and you'd be ready to go. Leonidas. Leonidas? Is that how you say it? Leonidas Street? I'm on crossing Leonidas on Strolitz. I don't know if I'm in Gert Town actually now. I think I'm not. I think Gert Town may be mostly on the other side of Carrollton, but I'm not sure. I just thought this would be an interesting neighborhood to go through, and I was really right. I was right. They have a lot of nice homes. I mean, the streets are all redone. Most of the streets are redone, I should say. I mean, look how repaved this is. It's really nice. Because I mean, it used to be bad like this, you know. Like up here, you'll see. All the streets used to be like this. Oh, look, they're doing it now. Yeah, just doing the resurfacing right now as I speak. Is anybody working? No, nobody's working back there, but maybe take today off, you know. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah. Wednesday would be a good day to take off. One day in the middle of the week. I'm on Palm and Eagle Street. Hey, I'm in the blue apartment building. Which one? They got 4 of them. Address here is 8818. They're friendly. Ooh, that house looks like maybe nobody's living in it. I don't know, it's hard to say. You see, this one looks lived in. HollyGrove. Is this the HollyGrove neighborhood? I mean, I've heard some bad stories about this neighborhood. HollyGrove. I mean, the rappers, a lot of famous rappers are from this area. I say a lot. I mean, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3. That made it, you know, made it to the big time. I'm sure a lot of people know. Just I don't really know. I don't know their names. I don't keep up with all that kind of stuff. I'm probably passing, you know, the childhood home of a big time rapper. Maybe Lil Wayne's from this area. Crossing Eagle Street. I missed the name of the street. I think I might have saw it, but I forgot it already. Man, it's a nice day. It's sunny, but sometimes you get that shadow. Not a shadow, but I don't know. It's hard to explain what I'm trying to say about the camera. Oh, here we get the name of the street. We're on Edinburgh again. Edinburgh and Monroe. It looks great during the day, but I don't know if it's so safe at night. I just don't know. Joliet. They say, some people say Joliet, some people say Joliet. Joliet, Edinburgh. Hold on, buddy. Let me get in front of you. Gotta go pick up my po' boy. My po' boy is almost ready. They said they're a little bit behind on making the po' boys, so they said give them 20 minutes. So yeah, 20 minutes is about up. About ready to head back. Krabby Jack's is only a few blocks from here. Krabby Jack's on Jefferson Highway. Go grab my po' boy. I ordered a fried shrimp po' boy and a cup of gumbo. I don't get lettuce and tomatoes and all that stuff on my po' boys because, you know, if I wanted a salad, I'd order a salad, you know? So I just I like the fried shrimp. And, I ordered a gumbo so I can take the bread and I can dip the bread into my gumbo. Oh, that's a big bump. Yeah, up there's that big street I can't think the name of. Over here might be Carrollton. This is probably Carrollton. Oh yeah, remember smash that thumbs up button for me. If you made it this far, it's a miracle. I mean, who would sit here and watch this? You know, stop here on red. Okay, that's a famous restaurant right there. 5 Happiness. Chinese place. Man, it used to be real good. Then I heard it went down. Then I heard it got better again. So I don't know. It's kind of like a little bit expensive for, you know, Chinese. You're not going in there and spending $8. I can tell you that. You know, like the appetizers are probably $8. So I mean, it's probably $20-something a person. You're going in there. I mean, you can't get anything for under $20 anymore. I mean, my little. I mean, I got the biggest size po' boy. I got a king size po' boy I ordered from Krabby Jack's, and a cup of gumbo. And they told me the bill was $27. I thought they were saying 27 at first, but she said $20.75 or something like that. I'm pretty sure it's $20.75, $20 and some change. But no, if it's 27, that's not too good a deal. But I think the king is like $14.50. Yeah, I know the king is $14.50 because it's only $1 more than the regular size po' boy. The regular size po' boy is $13.50, and the king is $14.50. You can say $1 more. Who's not gonna pay $1 more and get the king? So of course I got that, and I think a cup of gumbo is $3.50. So that's $14.50 and $3.50, $18 plus. Yeah, 18 plus tax. Yeah, you're right on the money now. So this is Carrollton Avenue. About to be back to Earhart. I'm gonna hang a righty on Earhart, and then in 5 minutes I'll be at Krabby Jack's. Alright, so remember, smash that thumbs up button, and share that if you know someone might be interested in seeing beautiful Uptown New Orleans. Send them a link. Post us on social media or something, help me out. I need to get about 80,000 million views for this, because I went to the emergency room last night because I was having a heart attack, so that's $450 down the old bucket. $450 for the emergency room visit with my insurance. So yeah, and I gotta get the prescription filled. That's gonna be another $5 or $10, and yeah, help a brother out. Smash the thumbs up button for me, and share this video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. This is Johnny B. Turning right on. Which one lane you want, buddy? You want to go straight or you turning? I'll be turning right on Carrollton. I'll be turning right on Earhart. See y'all in the next one. Peace out.